If you've ever wondered how to save OneNote in Google Drive or whether you can sync a OneNote notebook directly to Google Drive, this video is for you. The short answer is no. You can't directly sync or actively run a live Microsoft OneNote notebook from Google Drive because OneNote uses specialized communication protocols that work with OneDrive and SharePoint, not Google Drive. But the good news is, there is a simple workaround that lets you export your OneNote content and upload it into Google Drive in just a few steps. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open OneNote on your computer. Once OneNote is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click File. This opens the Backstage menu where you'll find different options for saving, exporting, and managing your notebook content. From there, select Export. This is the feature you'll use to convert your OneNote content into a file format that Google Drive can store and preview easily. Next, you'll see a section called Export Current. Here, you need to choose what you want to export. You can export a single page if you only need one note, a section if you want a group of related notes, or an entire notebook if you want everything saved together. Choose the option that matches what you want to back up or transfer. After that, move to the Select Format section. Here, choose either Word document, which will save as a .docx file, or PDF if you want a more universal, read-only format. If you want to edit the content later in Google Docs, Word document is usually the better choice. If you just want a clean copy for storage and sharing, PDF is a great option. Once you've selected the format, click Export. OneNote will then ask you where you want to save the file. A simple choice is your desktop because it makes the next step easy to find. Save the file to your computer and wait for the export process to finish. Now that your OneNote content has been converted into a file, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use Drive for work or school. Once you're inside Google Drive, click New, then choose File Upload. This tells Google Drive that you want to upload a file from your computer rather than create something new from scratch. Browse to the file you just exported from OneNote, select it, and click Open. Google Drive will begin uploading the file, and once it's finished, your OneNote content will now be stored in Drive. From there, you can organize it into folders, share it with others, or open it whenever you need. If you export it as a Word document, you can even open it in Google Docs for editing if needed. So to recap, you can't directly save a live OneNote notebook to Google Drive, but you absolutely can export your notes from OneNote and upload them to Drive in a few easy steps. That gives you a simple way to back up your notes, share them, or keep them in your Google ecosystem. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.